greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, ham, lamb, hog, mog, green, beans, tomatoes, potatoes, chicken, 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 you name it! Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody's Thanksgiving was absolutely wonderful and great, because this video will be posted the day after Thanksgiving. So leave down in the comments below how your Thanksgiving went. What did you all eat? Do you guys have Thanksgiving traditions? My husband and I and our daughter have Thanksgiving tradition. We sing karaoke after our food coma wears out every year for Thanksgiving, and it's a great tradition. But anyways, so in this video I'm doing Thanksgiving prep, cooking, and cleaning up the kitchen as I go. So I decided to bring you guys along with me. My menu for Thanksgiving is, first, I'm so excited, we bought a Cajun turkey from Popeyes, and so I don't really have to do too much with it because this pregnancy has been having me real sick. So that's first on the menu. We're gonna have some ham, mac and cheese, cornbread, and collard greens, and sweet potato pie. So to start off in this video, I am starting on Tuesday, November 22nd, and in this video you're going to see me preparing the filling for my pie. I always prepare my pie 2 days before Thanksgiving because I want all the flavors to marinate. Ever since I have found this recipe, this has been the recipe for our sweet potato pie for Thanksgiving. Also, to do some Thanksgiving cooking, first of all, you gotta unthaw your meats you need to thaw. If you got greens, you need to wash your greens. I bought bagged greens this year because, like I said, pregnancy been kicking my butt, so I'm trying to make everything as easy as it can be. And then I'm gonna go ahead and shred my cheese, and the night before Thanksgiving, I'm actually going to cook my collard greens in my Instapot on slow cook and let that cook overnight so it could be ready the next day. But anyways, I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking in this video. I would just want to bring you guys along with me as I prep for Thanksgiving and clean up as I prep. I post every Friday, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the video.
Dream is so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do. I know them all the signs. I'm a grown woman now. I don't like to waste my...
Hey guys, so I just finished peeling. I just finished shredding all the cheese. This is the second batch. When I tell you I hate shredding cheese, I hate it, but there really is a big difference in your cheese when you shred it compared to buying it in the bag. It just really melts differently. So yeah, I'm getting tired. My nausea, my pregnancy has kicked up about 20,000%. So what I'm about to do next is I'm about to peel these eggs for my dressing, which I didn't add in my intro, but my husband decided he wants dressing, so he's making dressing. So I'm just like pre-prepping it for him. And so after I do that, then these are my sweet potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and make the filling for my pie. And then I'll be done with prepping for now. I have to come back tonight at 6 o'clock.
Honey?
Okay, I have to come back tonight at 6 o'clock, excuse me. Okay, I'm back. So at 6 o'clock tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and put my greens on my Instapot, but I'm using the slow cooking method. So I'm gonna be having my greens cooking overnight. And then I don't feel well, so I'm probably gonna come back later on today and clean up the mess I made from prepping this morning, but I am gonna get it clean today. And then tomorrow I'll be up. Tomorrow I'll be up at 4 o'clock a.m. to go ahead and put my turkey in the oven, so that way we can be done by like 11 o'clock and be eating by noon. So stay tuned and keep on watching if you're interested.
Every single day just is the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just is the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep
prepping for tomorrow, and it took me about 3.5 hours, and I'm exhausted and nauseous. But so over here I got this everything for the dressing. This is for my greens tonight. The pie filling. Y'all, I didn't realize how much I had to play with this pie to get the taste and the consistency that I wanted. And then, excuse me about my hand. This is the cheese. And then I got my turkey marinating. No, I don't. I got my turkey thawing along with my along with my ham hocks for my greens and my ham for tomorrow. So I'm tired. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. So I'm going to be cleaning up after nap because I'm too tired. But ignore that. I got quite the mess I need to clean up. So, and I need to empty the dishwasher per usual. So I'll be back later when I'm cleaning up tonight and doing my greens.
I wish I could rewind it. Only us. Oh, I left you when we were blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get some love. You and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up. All for you, baby, keep trying. But the city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I hear you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting.
Good morning, guys. It's currently 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm up because I can't sleep. I'm not feeling too well. This baby got me nauseous, so since I'm up, I'm gonna go ahead and do round 2 of cleaning this kitchen and go ahead and put my turkey in the oven. I will probably regret this later, being up so early, but if I'm gonna be up, I may as well do something.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long, 'cause it's been forever since I felt anything. I didn't know I would meet someone like you. I didn't know you made me feel the things I do. And now I know it's been so very long, 'cause it's been forever since I felt anything. So what wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, I can give you everything you want. Everything